Fill-Rite pump troubleshooting, pump won't start? Here's how to fix it. Intro. Is your Fill-Rite pump not starting? Don't worry, before assuming the pump has failed, there are a few simple troubleshooting steps that can often solve the problem in just a few minutes. In this video, we'll walk through the most common causes and show you how to get your Fill-Rite pump running again. If you need replacement parts or helpful resources, check the links in the description and the pinned comment below. Step 1. Check the power supply. The first thing to inspect is the power source. Make sure the pump is plugged into a working outlet or connected to the correct power supply. Carefully examine the power cord for cuts, fraying, or visible damage. Next, use a voltage tester or multimeter to verify that the outlet is supplying the correct voltage. Also, ensure the plug is fully inserted and the connection is secure. A loose connection or damaged power cord can prevent the pump from starting. Step 2. Inspect the on-off switch. If the power supply checks out, move on to the on-off switch. Confirm the switch is in the on position. Over time, dust, dirt, or debris can interfere with the switch's operation. Wipe the switch area with a clean, dry cloth and test it again. If the switch feels loose, sticks, or doesn't respond properly, it may need to be replaced. A faulty on-off switch is one of the most common reasons a Fill-Rite pump won't start. Step 3. Double-check connections. While inspecting the pump, look for any loose electrical connections around the power input and wiring. If your model uses a circuit breaker or fuse, verify that it hasn't tripped or blown. Always disconnect power before inspecting internal electrical components. When to seek help. If the power supply is working, the switch is functioning correctly, and the pump still won't start, the issue could involve internal electrical components such as the motor, capacitor, or wiring. At that point, it's best to consult the owner's manual or contact a qualified technician for further diagnosis. Final thoughts. Most Fill-Rite pump startup problems are caused by simple issues like a disconnected power source, a damaged power cord, or a faulty on-off switch. Performing these basic checks can often save you time and unnecessary repair costs. If you found this troubleshooting guide helpful, don't forget to like the video, subscribe to the channel, and turn on notifications for more repair guides and maintenance tips. And if you need replacement parts or additional troubleshooting resources, be sure to check the links in the description and the pinned comment. Thanks for watching.